this is Jen. I'm standing in for Corey. He's behind the camera today. So this is Cooking with Corey, but you got me today. So I'm making broccoli casserole. I'm tweaking my old recipe. So let me quickly run you through the ingredients. We've got 16 ounces of frozen broccoli cooked according to the package instructions and chopped. A can of cream of celery soup. A onion diced. It's about a little over a cup of diced onion. We've got a package of whipped Philadelphia cream cheese, 4 tablespoons of butter, a cup of grated sharp cheddar cheese, and probably about 2 cups of stuffing mix. So we'll whip this up together next. So the first thing we're going to do is combine our broccoli and cheese and onion and cream of celery soup and cream cheese. Okay, I'm gonna work this all together, get it all mixed up, and then we're gonna put it in a casserole dish. Alright, so now we're gonna melt our half a stick of butter. You just want it melted, don't want it browned or anything. And then we're going to add our 2 cups of stuffing mix. And you just want to get the stuffing mix all nicely coated with butter. Okay, so the butter's all melted and I've been tossing the stuffing mix in it, and I'm just going to toast it just a little bit and just get it all coated with that butter. And then it's going to be ready to put on top of our broccoli casserole. Now we're ready to put the mixture into the casserole dish. Hey Corey, what size would you say this casserole dish is?
5 by 9.
Yeah, I think that's right.
Maybe 2-3 inches high.
About that. Okay, so just gonna scoop that all in there, get it nice and packed in. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done, and then we'll put the topping on. Alright, I'm just smoothing this out, pushing all this broccoli casserole filling into this casserole dish, saving a little bit of room for the topping. So let me go get that that breadcrumb topping made from stuffing mix. It's been
You always use Pepperidge Farms, right?
I use Pepperidge Farm stuffing mix. Yes, because it's got a good texture for this topping. So I'm just going to pile that on, smush it in, and then after I get this all on here, it's going to go in the oven, 350 degrees for an hour. Okay, I got the stuffing on top of the casserole, and look at how much I have left. That's a ton. So I probably overestimated. I think probably just a cup of stuffing mix is going to be plenty. So now I'm ready to get this in the oven. Alright, I just pulled the casserole out of the oven. It's been cooking for an hour. So I checked it at 45 minutes and I thought that the top was getting kind of brown. So I put some tin foil over it so I didn't burn the topping there. The casserole dish is still really hot, so I'm not going to touch it with my bare hands, but it's all steamy and bubbly and delicious. And I'm going to let it set for a couple of minutes before we dig into it so it can set up a little bit, and then we'll come back for a taste test. Okay, it's time to dig into this broccoli casserole and give it a taste. Oh, a little bit of crumbling on the top there. Look at that. Cheese, broccoli, onion, all that good stuff. So come on, Corey, let's dig in, see how we like it. Oof, it's
I like it
hot.
steamy. It's better that way.
Really hot.
Ooh.
What do you think?
Delicious.
All right, another successful broccoli casserole from Cooking with Corey.
Got it. Alright. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, right?
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
It's really good.
And be sure to subscribe to Cooking with Corey for more cooking videos. And share it with your friends if they want to make broccoli casserole too.
You got it. Quick with Corey out.
We made a joke about it and it's over.
Oh fuck, it's recording.
Okay, now it's time to put the mixture into the casserole dish. Corey, what size casserole dish would you say this is?
I have no idea.
Like a 5 by 9 or something like that?
We'll have to look on the bottom when we're done.
You want me to start over?
Yeah.
Okay.